In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link domain with Netlify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard, what each option means, and how to confidently verify your domain so it connects to your site. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Netlify account and that you already have a project deployed. That way, everything you see will line up with your own workspace. Start on the Netlify dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, open the Projects section. This is where all of your sites live. If you manage several, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the right one. Click into the project you want to connect to your custom domain so you're looking at that site's configuration area. Inside the site settings, look for the Domain Management section. This is the central place for adding, buying, and managing domains on Netlify. Open it and you'll see a button labeled Add a Domain. Go ahead and click that. Netlify will now present two paths. You can purchase a new domain through Netlify, or you can add a domain you already own from another registrar. Buying through Netlify is convenient if you don't have a domain yet, because DNS is handled for you. In this walkthrough, we're focusing on linking a domain you already own, so choose the option to add an existing domain. You'll see a field to type your domain name. Enter it exactly as you want it to appear, typically your root domain without HTTP or HTTPS. You can also enter a subdomain if that's your plan. Double check spelling here. Small typos can cause frustrating delays. When you're ready, click Verify. Netlify will check that the domain is valid and prepare the next steps for connecting it to your site. Verification can take a moment, and what you see afterward depends on where your DNS is managed. If your domain is with another registrar, Netlify will outline the records you'll need and will automatically provision a certificate once everything points correctly. If you opted to purchase through Netlify, much of this is handled behind the scenes. Either way, it's normal for changes to take some time to propagate globally. That's it. You navigated to your project, opened domain management, chose to add a domain, entered your domain, and clicked verify. From here, keep an eye on status messages in the domain panel. Netlify will guide you if anything needs attention, and once it's connected, your site will be live on your custom domain with automatic SSL. Thanks for watching, and happy deploying.